Alright guys, I'm going to use this Dixon Ticonderoga number 2, a straight edge. We're going to answer some cumulative frequency questions, Cambridge IGCSE style. Oh no, I just dropped my straight edge and it's clear. It means it's hard to find on the carpet. Alright, got it. Alright, check it out. Here we go. Let's get to it, shall we? Now there's a mistake on this chart right here. Since I started doing the video, I noticed it, so I stopped it, changed the official copy, but I didn't want to print a new one, waste paper, so I just scratched it out. So here we go. We've got this. Make sure you read the instructions. Use the cumulative frequency graph to answer the questions. The following questions. All right. So this is a graph of cycling speeds. This is speed in kilometers per hour. Looks like it goes up to 40. That's not the highest speed. Highest speed would be 35. In cumulative frequency. So 50, what is that? 54. And it looks like we got a 54. Looks like we have a total of 54 cyclists that we've measured, or timed, right? All right, so now, table of values below is created from this graph. So they took this graph and they created this table. Okay, now it's going to ask us to figure out what's the value of A, B, C, D, and so on. So let's just go ahead and do that right now on the paper, and then go through and select our answers. All right, so now, the frequency from 5 to 10, well, that's 4. Yeah, that's 4. And that makes sense because it tells us right here the cumulative frequency is 4 up to the end of the first class. So that matches. Now between 10 and 15, the answer is 8. Now here's the thing I want to talk to you guys about. Check this out. Even if you're not sure how to get these answers, they give you the clues in these first two parts. You're given clues how to figure out the rest. Look, 8 is the frequency from here to here. And if you look, 2, 4, 6, 8. The frequency is 8. That makes sense. That makes 12 up to this point. You see? Up to this point, which is 15, we have 12 total cyclists. Now we have 20 more from here to here. There's 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 per line. Yep. Okay, so the cumulative frequency up to there looks like it's going to be 32. Now, let's see. Between 25 and 30 cyclists, between 25 and 30 cyclists. So, because it gives us the next one, 16 and 48, right? So, between 25 and 30. So, that's from here, which is 48, to, this is between 52. So, that's between 52 and 54. That's 53. Do you see? So 48 to 53, that's 5. That's 5 more. So 48 and 5 more is 53, and there's one more cyclist. See, there's one between here and here. So there we go. So for A, our value was 4. For B, our value was 12. Ooh, answer not shown. That's tricky. For C, our answer was 32. For D, our answer was 5. Answer not shown. And let's see, for F, hold on, give me 1 second here. Just give me one. Don't go anywhere. Give me 1 second. I don't like that 54 there. I think that might have been a misprint, but a typing error. All right, so thank you guys for your patience. For F, answer definitely not shown. And for 16, which value on the table would indicate how many cyclists were faster than 30? So let's check this out. Faster than 30. So more than 30. Faster than 30. So faster than 30. Well, that actually would be this right here. Now, this is kind of a tricky question because if it said faster than 20, it would actually be all of these added up. Faster than 20 would be 22. 22 people were faster than 20. Or yeah. So you got to be careful with that. But okay, that's fine. So faster than 30 is F, and there's only one person that was faster than 30. Okay, which value in the table would indicate how many cyclists were between 25 and 30? So here's 25 and here's 30. 25 to 30. 25 to 30. That would be 5. It's the frequency, not the cumulative frequency. So it would be D. 17D. All right, let's check. Let's keep on trucking. How many cyclists were faster than 10? Well, let's take a look. Here's 10. No, sorry. Faster than 10. This is the number of cyclists, and that's the thing you got to be careful of. Don't start off with the frequency. right? Start off with the values. So faster than 10. So here's 10, right? And if you're taking a test, you're going to go ahead and draw on your test. So there's 10, and we go over. So this is 4, and there were 54. So there's 50 cyclists that were faster, because there were 4 that were slower, and there are 54 total. Yeah. Okay. What's the median speed of the cyclist? So here's so median again. If you take all your frequencies and you line them up by size, smallest to largest, and then you find the exact middle of those frequencies, whatever the value of that is your median. So we have 54 frequencies. Whatever the value of the 27th frequency is our median. So we have to figure out what is the 27th frequency first, because that's half of 54. So 27 looks like it's going to be right there in the middle. Let's go ahead and draw our line across, being nice and neat. There's 27. So it looks like it's going to be between, see, this is 18 there, and that's 16 there. So it's going to be about 17. Yeah, so about 17. All right, now how fast was the fastest cyclist based on the graph? Oh, well, we don't really know. We don't know how fast the fastest is. We don't know how slow the slowest is. We know that there were 4 people that were less than 10. We know there's one person that's more than 30 and less than 35. Between 30 and 35, there's one person. But we don't know if they're 30 or 35 or 34. We don't know where they are. We just know they're in that range from 30 to 35. So we don't know. It's none of this information right here is, we don't know. Doesn't work. All right, short and sweet. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Cumulative frequency, there's just the details. You got to be careful. Hope it was helpful. And if you still have some questions, leave me a comment. I'd be very happy to hear from you and help you out. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.